Yo, what's up guys? Mervin here from ATP, and for today's episode, we are going to talk about the brand new colorway of the NMD V3. It's a special colorway and a collaboration between Adidas and Xbox. It's called the Halo colorway. So the shoe comes in your regular Adidas Originals box na color blue. So hindi ko na yan ipapakita. Pero what's nice is that it comes with a pair of teal extra laces. Nakakulay nung upper ng shoe. Now going on to the shoe, ayan, it's so nice. So yun nga, as I've said earlier, it's a collaboration between Xbox kasi yun yung nakalagay sa box. Now, the retail price is at 9,000 pesos. And ang nakalagay sa box is Xbox NMD V3. So, but according to, or what I saw, from what I saw, it's, yan, sa insole niya nakalagay Halo Infinity. So, I don't remember ever playing that game. So, medyo hindi ako nakaka-relate, but the colorway is very nice. So, I got this pair for a good friend, Jasper, the marketing manager for the Philippines of Ox Street. So, sa mga hindi nakakaalam ng Ox Street, basahin nyo sa description down below. So, now, again, going back to the shoe, Jasper, if you're watching, I may need your assistance. Comment ka na lang sa baba. So, yan. So, moving to the, ayan. NMD V3 nga pala is the very new, obviously, version of the popular NMD. As you can see here in the lateral side, nawala na yung tabs niya dito sa front and the back. So, napalitan na siya ng parang simpleng, may tabs pa rin naman. Nandyan pa rin siya. Oo, parang naging anino na lang siya. Ayan. So, it's parang it's a rubber na lang that extends from the outsole to the midsole pataas. May tabs pa rin eh. Mas manipis na nga lang. Ayan. Diba? Mas manipis na nga lang. Pero may tabs pa rin. Ayan. So, in the lateral side and the upper, as you can see, it's textile material na ribbed. Ayan. Ribbed yung material niya na textile. And its color, ano ba to? Teal? Teal, cyan. Oo. Green, blue, light blue. So, basta ganon. Yun yung color niya. No? Wala kasing color sa box eh. Pero parang teal siya. More on the teal side. So, the stripes is black. And then, ayan. So, as you can see, meron siya moving around the shoe from the lateral side to the medial side na parang fused material to protect siguro from mud or dust or dirt. Ayan. And then here on the toe box, meron tayong blue na line. Ayan. Sa edge nung naka-fuse na mudguard. Ayan. And then, on the medial side, moving on to the medial side, may nakasulat dyan. And it says, UNSC Standard Issue 2560. So, I don't know what that means. Please comment down below what that means. Ayun. And then, so, on the tongue, yan, we have black laces. And then, meron ditong parang character. I don't know if it's a character, pero mukha siyang character. Ayan. Ayan. So, dito sa left shoe, mukha siyang pyramid na may mata. And on the right shoe, isa namang ayan, mukhang alien. So, I don't know what that is. If you know, again, comment down below kung ano yan. I would love to know. Okay, so may nakasulat din sa tips, sa lace tips na Lumu and Fret. Ayan, yun yung nakasulat sa lace tips. Lumu and Fret. Yun din. Dun sa other pair, ganun din. Lumu and Fret. Now, moving on to the back side of the shoe, ayan, we have this pull tab and the heel counter in smoke gray na translucent plastic rubber. Ayan. And then, ayan, doon sa pull tab, meron na namang ano ba yan? Logo na hindi ko alam kung ano. So, if you know, again, comment down below kung ano yan. Hindi ko talaga alam kung ano yan. Sorry. And then, dito sa isa pang pair, meron ding logo. Ayan. So, pagpasensyahan nyo yung tito nyo. Kulang sa research. Oo, hindi na kasi ako naglalaro eh. So, moving on to the insoles. Ayan. So sa left shoe, nakalagay Halo Infinity. And on the right shoe, the usual Adidas Originals na branding. Ayan. Then moving on to the outsole, it's midsole pala muna, it's white boost. Ayan, white boost. And on the outsole, it's translucent na light blue rubber outsole. It's nice. Hindi lang talaga ako mahilig sa blue, but this colorway is really nice compared to the others. So, andyan pa rin yung signature pull tab ng ng NMDs. And dito sa gitna, meron din. Galing. So, the laces come in between the the ribbon sa tongue. Pinapasok siya sa gitna. Ayan. Para maganda yung datingan. So, ganun pa rin naman yung yung DNA ng NMD V3. Very true pa rin dun sa original NMD R1 from a few years ago. So, nomad pa rin naman siya. So, yung tagline niya is create new paths. So, ayan, di ba? Nakita nyo sa socials namin at adidas.ph, Instagram, di ba? Mga model nila, Blackpink, Stig. So, yun. So, moving on to sizing, it fits true to size. So, Adidas already sent me a pair a few weeks ago. Thank you, Adidas PH, for sending me a pair. Yung orange na colorway. So, it's really nice. So, and I think it's true to size. Wide feet friendly. Now, in terms of comfort, it's a familiar feeling ng nakasuot ka ng Boost. Oo. It's comfy. Hindi siya nakakapagod sa paa. Pero hindi naman din siya to the level ng Yeezy na comfort. Again, it's normal na comfort lang. But better than yung mga hindi Boost na sapatos. Because, Boost is life, diba? So, yun. So, yeah. So, let me know what you think about this colorway. Ang ganda-ganda niya, no? Again, the retail price is 9,000 pesos. And we got this at 21% off during the Adidas Brand Center Anniversary Midnight Sale, which is exclusive to friends and family of the brand and the Club members. So, if hindi pa kayo Addi Club members, I suggest you already sign up. I'll put the link down in the description. So, yun. Ang ganda. So, thanks for watching this vlog. If you really liked it, or if you liked it, please subscribe and help out my channel out. And like this video. Comment down below what you think about the colorway and what you think overall sa bagong NMD V3. Ang ganda. Nagagandahan ako, to be honest. Yun, so that's it for today's video. Once again, my name is Marvin. Bye-bye.